In this question, you have to identify at what stage of life the oogenesis process is initiated. Option A, embryonic development stage. Now, the process of oogenesis is initiated during the embryonic development of the female, and at this stage, oogonia, that is the precursor cells, begin to form and primary oocytes enter meiosis, but arrest at prophase 1 until puberty. No additional oogonia is generated after birth in human females, leaving approximately 60 to 80,000 primary follicles per ovary at puberty. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, birth. It is incorrect. By the time of birth, the process of oogenesis has already started. Option C, adult. It is incorrect. Oogenesis does not begin in adulthood. Instead, it has already been initiated during embryonic development. Option D, puberty. It is also incorrect. While oogenesis resumes at puberty when the primary oocytes complete meiosis 1, the initiation of oogenesis happens much earlier, that is, during the embryonic stage.